federal judge in Pensacola has ruled that Congress's attempt at health care overhaul is unconstitutional. The judge accepted the argument of 26 states, including Alabama, Florida, and Mississippi, that the new law violated people's rights by forcing them to buy health insurance. Fox 10 News reporter John Rogers joins us live from the Pensacola Federal Courthouse with more. John?
Hey there, Bob. I got the ruling right here. 78 pages filed by U.S. District Judge Roger Vison earlier today here at the courthouse in Pensacola. I'm going to read you the final summary here. It says, it is hereby declared a judge and decree that the Patient Protection and Affordable Care Act is unconstitutional. One of the cruxes of the argument is what you were mentioning earlier, Bob, the clause that states that all Americans must buy health insurance or face a penalty. The judge says that's unconstitutional. Congress argues that their health care overhaul cannot work unless all Americans have insurance. Therefore, the judge said the entire bill is unconstitutional.
Today, President Obama's plans for health care overhaul met an obstacle inside this courthouse. Judge Roger Vison filed this 78-page ruling without taking the issue to trial. In the document, Vison wrote, "This case is not about whether the act is wise or unwise legislation. It's about the constitutional role of the federal government." 26 states were suing the federal government. The states objected to the federal expansion of Medicaid, saying it violated the Constitution. But the judge threw out their argument, siding with Congress on that issue. But the clincher was the argument against the individual mandate, the clause of the act that requires all Americans to buy insurance or face a penalty. This took up a bulk of the document, where the district judge pointed out how the entire health care overhaul is dependent on all Americans having insurance. He felt the individual mandate was unconstitutional, but Congress feels this health care overhaul cannot work without this mandate. So Judge Vison decided, because the individual mandate is unconstitutional and not severable, the entire act must be declared void.
Bob, in this report, Judge Vison said that the healthcare system in America does have a myriad of problems, and Congress can fix it. He said there's some provisions in the healthcare bill that could work without this individual mandate. So Vison suggested that Congress go back, look at the bill, pick out which provisions can work without this mandate, and go from there. Right now, it looks like the case will go on to the U.S. Supreme Court. Bob?
All right, thank you, John.